Hello and welcome to the Neuro family. Congratulations on your new PRS device. I think you're going to be excited with all the protocols that we have to offer to show you how to use this device to its best ability possible, which is why we have ongoing and growing protocol videos so that you can follow along and make sure you're setting this up properly. Make sure you check out our website at NerveOTX and go into the section where it actually says how to use the PRS device, and then click on any video, whether it's your neck all the way down to your ankle, where we have protocols on where to set up the pads and how long you should do it. We do also have a workout channel, so if you're focused on the strength aspect, you're in luck. Make sure you check out our workout channel where we go through 15-20-minute workouts. It shows you where to place the pads, and it takes you through a good workout so you can continue to raise the bar in your fitness life and get into the best shape of your life. Now, we're very proud of where our protocols are at, and we're very proud of our ongoing library. But we're always trying to raise the bar to give you the best experience that we can possibly do. So if you have any suggestions or any questions that you don't see in our protocol library, please let us know at info@arpneuro.com, and we'll be happy to answer it through a video and put it into our library. At ARP Neurotherapy, it's all about the outcomes, and we can't wait to hear about yours.